Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting settings right and doing the first motion. Make sure tactical sprint is enabled and your dominant thumb sits on sprint and slide. Sprint forward, then press B to slide. Once you hit the ground, immediately trigger the cancel sequence I'll explain next. Practice the timing slowly until it feels natural. This initial chain sets up momentum and a shortened recovery window, which is why you begin here rather than waiting to react. Once done with the slide, perform the core cancel. Press ADS, left trigger, and immediately tap melee, right stick click. The ADS timing shortens the slide animation and the melee resets your movement state. Make sure to chain ADS then melee in under half a second. If you delay, the cancel fails and you recover slowly. Practice on flat ground, then while turning. This preserves momentum and lets you peak faster without losing speed. Keep your stick engaged to control trajectory. To finish, immediately resprint or ADS fire after the cancel to maintain aggression. If the cancel doesn't work, step back, isolate the sequence in a private match and slow your taps until muscle memory builds. Make sure controller dead zones and sensitivity aren't interfering. Too high dead zone makes RS melee unreliable. One key troubleshooting tip. Map melee to an alternate button and test. If consistency improves, remap permanently because hardware stick clicks can be.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.